question. I'm really struggling to get over my ex. It's been almost a year now and I'm still in a lot of pain. What can I do to heal? I feel your pain, my friend, and I know that many of you feel this way. So, in today's session, I'm going to give a very simple answer to this seemingly complex question. And I want you to understand one thing right off the bat. The answer that I'm about to give you is super simple. And I don't want you to misinterpret its simplicity by not effective, because simplicity is distilled wisdom. I'm Coach Paz Goldman, your relationship and breakup coach. And the answer to this question is simply to do more things for you and not do anything to you. What it means. Because if it's been a year now, or even a month or two or three, if you are doing things to you and not for you while you're healing, you will never heal. You will never heal, because the healing journey is a self love process where you need to do things for you, things that strengthening you and not weakening you. For example, what can you do to strengthen you and what you usually do to weaken you? Things that weaken you is drug abuse, alcohol, all kind of vices, things that numb you temporarily from the pain, that distract you from the pain, that are not conducive and not constructive. These are the things that people do that weaken themselves. And I can say for, I would say 99.9% certainty that if it's been a year and you didn't heal yet, you're probably engaging in some kind of vices. You're not going to the gym. You don't eat properly. You don't work on yourself. You didn't hire a coach or a mentor. You're not involved in any kind of self development program or healing program. Nothing like that. You're probably only watching YouTube videos, accumulating knowledge, and you don't turn it into wisdom by applying that. You're frustrated. You take out your anger anywhere else and upon yourself, instead of channeling it and alchemizing this pain into beauty by actually realizing that this pain is nothing but constructive energy, because pain is a teacher. Your ex was your teacher. Pain teaches you so much about yourself, and instead of let it build you, you let it destroy you. So if it's been a year and you're still not healed, you're doing something wrong. Actually, you're doing many things wrong. And my suggestion to you, like I already mentioned, is to do things for you. What can you do for you to heal and to grow? Constantly going to the gym. I know that people say, the gym, the gym. Listen, there is something magical about the gym, because there is something magical about your body. When you are engaging in physical activity, you actually signal to your body, to your brain, that everything is under control and everything is okay. And it relaxes your central nervous system. When you are not and you just freeze, this is where the body sends a signal to the brain that something is wrong, and you shut down. When you shut down physically, you shut down emotionally, and of course intellectually you're not progressing. So this is why you must force yourself to go to the gym. I know that you don't feel like going to the gym. Believe me, when I was going through my breakup as well, that's the last thing I wanted to do. The last thing, but you need to collect wins throughout the day, one by one by one. And I said to myself, I'm going to wake up, I'm going to go to the gym. I started to do Muay Thai. I said, okay, I'm going to do Muay Thai. It's a class when you just follow instructions. I said, I'm just going to go. Let's see. I didn't have anything better to do, because everything that I've done was making me bitter. And I said, I cannot do this anymore. I don't want this. So I started going to the Muay Thai gym, and then I go twice a day because I had a lot of energy, a lot of anger, a lot of pain. So then going to the Muay Thai in the morning, going to the gym in the evening, I start feeling better, because I saw after going to the Muay Thai in the morning, I earned myself about 2 to 3 hours of release and relief in my mind. I said, oh my God, 2 to 3 hours. So I went in the morning and then I went in the evening. This way, I actually got like 6 to 7 hours of mental clarity. And in between, I did the work. I reflected. I did things for me and not to me. I ate correctly. I counted my macros. I was on a very strict diet. I didn't have a lot of a lot of appetite, but when I got my appetite back, I was in a very strict diet because I wanted to take care of myself. And after a breakup, you lose a lot of weight. And by the way, in the comments below, let me know how much weight you've lost during this breakup. I lost a lot. I lost, I think, like maybe 17 kilograms. I couldn't eat and I trained like an animal. That just was my journey. What is yours? How much weight did you lost? And or what is your goal? So after that, I started to read and I actually wrote a book. I journaled a lot. I wrote a book about a breakup, Stronger Broken Heart, Stronger Soul, which is on Amazon. I documented my journey. You can see my documentary on YouTube. I started learning a lot about me, about her, about female nature, human nature. I took courses online. I did behavioral analysis course and all of these things because I wanted to understand. So you see, when you do this for you, when you are enrolling in a program and you are actually starting to go from point one, two, three, four, you're following a system. This is where you will heal so much quicker and so much better. It's not just about the time, but it's about the quality of your healing. This is why I am offering you the Rise of the Phoenix, my online healing coaching program, which now I am giving it away for $37 for about, this price will be around 2 3 days, maybe a week. So make sure you take advantage of it now, because if you don't, what's going to happen? You just keep on watching these videos, accumulating knowledge, not turning into wisdom. And when it knowledge that is not turning into, you don't turn it into wisdom, it causes massive frustration. Because think about it like food. You eat, you don't digest and you don't let it go. This is what happens to you in your mind. You get a lot of information, no contact, how to deal with your ex, how to do this, how to do that, and you don't turn it into wisdom, you don't digest it, and then you get mental constipation, which causes you frustration and pain. So alleviate the pain. Come, join my program or do a one-on-one call with me. I guarantee to help you and to get over it. Because if you find my content helpful, just imagine what it will be like working one-on-one with me or going through my program for only $37, and you will heal, my friend. I know you will, and I can guarantee that. So to summarize this video, just start doing things for you. Fall in love with you. Like I said, the healing journey is a self-love process. When you start falling in love with yourself by doing things for you, you heal much quicker and much better. If you just let time pass by, or try to get with someone else in a rebound relationship, or do all of these manipulative tactics to get your ex back and think that you will feel so much better when they will come back to you, no, none of it works. None of it. I tried everything. I went through several breakups in my life, and every time I made different mistakes until the last one where I said, I just don't have room for any more mistakes. I hired mentors. I did the right thing. I did it correctly, and I healed pretty quickly. It took me about 2 months to really heal and be healed enough to move on. And that's what I want from you. I don't want you to stay a year in misery and pain. You're worthy of so much more than that. Can't you see that? Invest in yourself. Put this energy back into you. With that said, you guys, I hope this video was helpful. I love you and send you healing, and I will see you again in my next videos. Take care.